Want to show, not just tell, clients what you can do? In this video, I'll show you how to build a stunning Upwork portfolio that wins you more projects. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Your portfolio is visual proof of your skills. A strong portfolio can be the deciding factor between you and another freelancer. First, add a variety of projects that showcase the range and depth of your skills. Use high-quality images, PDFs, or video links. For each item, write a compelling title and a brief description. In the description, use the STAR method. Explain the situation, the task you were given, the action you took, and the result you achieved for the client. Quantify results whenever possible. You can pin your 2 to 3 best projects to the top of your portfolio section to make a strong first impression. Regularly update it with your latest and greatest work. A crucial pro tip: even if your work is not visual, e.g., writing or coding, create visual case studies. A writer can upload a PDF with a client testimonial next to a snippet of the work. A developer can show a screenshot of the application they built. Make it tangible. And just like that, you've transformed your profile into a gallery of your success. A highlighted portfolio provides undeniable evidence of your expertise. What's the one portfolio piece you're most proud of? Brag about it in the comments. This concludes our Upwork Deep Dive series for now. Thanks for watching.